Welcome to the review creation process in Prolaborate. Let's get started. First, click on Create a Review. Enter a review name and description that suits your requirements. Set a start date and end date for the review. Enable invite and notifications to notify the participants about the new review under More Settings. Next, select the contents. It could be packages, elements, or diagrams from the repository browser that need to be reviewed, and add them to your review. Finally, choose the participants. In this step, select users and assign them roles as reviewer or approver. Complete the process by clicking the Add New Review button. Congratulations, your review has been created. Now, let's switch roles and log in as a reviewer. Once logged in, you'll receive push and in-app notifications. Click on it, and it will take you directly to the review page. Next, let's log in as an approver. As an approver, you'll also receive push and in-app notifications. Clicking on this will seamlessly guide you to the review page, where you can see all the details that need your approval. Participants will receive a reminder if they haven't reviewed or approved the assigned items. They will get these reminders via in-app notifications, push notifications, and emails, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks.